In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can send money worldwide to your relatives or even your bank account using MoneyGram money transfer. So with that said, let's head over to my laptop and get started. So to get started, you want to go to MoneyGram.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Now once you're there, select sign up, and if you're using your mobile phone, you could literally download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. The steps are pretty much the same, right? So you don't have to worry because I'm using the laptop. Here you're going to specify your email address, a password, and your phone number to sign up. So I already have an existing account, so I'm going to cancel this and log in to my existing account. Here I'm just going to specify my email address and password and then log in. So in your case, you'll probably just be seeing send money because I already added a couple recipients to my account. So it's saying send to someone new, so you can look for something similar, right? I don't remember what it looks like whenever you just signed up. So here I'm just going to select send to someone new. It's going to ask you for the amount of money that you want to send, and then it's going to ask you for the receiver country. So from the drop down, select your receiver country. So I'm going to say Jamaica. Now select estimate fees before you can proceed. Here it gives you an estimate of the amount of money that the person will receive and the exchange rate that will be used. Also, they provide an estimate when the money will be available. So it will be available between 0 to 6 business days. The next step is to select your payment option. If you're in US, you'll be seeing different options from what I'm seeing here. However, the concept is pretty much the same. So let's say you're paying with a debit or credit card, then you select that option. Now to send to the bank account, you will select direct to bank account. Again, if you're in the United States, you may be seeing another option that will allow you to send money directly to a card, right? So that is the fastest option. So if you have that option, then you select that option. So here I'm going to select direct to bank account. Here you can see the fees that it will cost you. It will cost me about $10. Then select next. On this page, you're going to complete your receiver information, right? So I'm going to fill out my first name. For the account number, I'm just going to put a random number here, right? Now for the branch code, if you don't know your branch code, here's how you can find it. You want to go to www.bankcodefinder.com. The link will be in the description of this video as well. Once you're there, select bank code, select the country that you're sending to, and then in my case, I'm going to select Jamaica routing number. Now depending on which country you're sending to, they may not ask you for that information. So here I'm just going to say National Commercial Bank. Now let's select get bank details, and here you can see it popped up a bunch of information for me. So I'm just going to select a random one, right? Now scroll down and you'll see the bank code as well as the branch code. The branch code is what you want. So it's 0005. So it's 4 zeros and a 5, right? Once you have a branch code, select your account type. Most of the times, it could be a savings account, right? However, I don't think that really matters. Then you're going to specify your bank name. So from the drop down, select your bank, specify your address. Now for the address, it's not the address of the bank, it's your billing address, right? Or the person's address that they use to open the bank account. For the postal code, it is optional. Here, you need to specify a mobile phone number, and also you need to specify their TRN. Once you specify the TRN, select next. So here it's saying my account number does not match, so I need to double check that. Once you've specified all the information, select next. Here it's going to ask you to provide the payment information. Because I already have a card on file, I can just select my card. In your case, you'll be adding a new card, right? And then you'll be providing your home and billing address. So here I'm just going to select my existing card. I'm going to specify my CVV for verification, and then I'm just going to verify, and then I'm going to proceed to select next. Here's just some fraud information. You can just select review and send, and this is a summary of the transaction. So when you're ready to send, just scroll down and select submit transaction. However, at this point, I do not actually want to send any money. I just did this video so you can get an understanding of how to do it. So I'm just going to cancel this transaction. I hope this video has helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and can you give this video a thumbs up? I'd really appreciate it. Now, that's it for now. See you in the next video.